Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming Windows 10 Pro and that you have admin rights so you can change drivers and services. Open Settings, go to Devices and switch Bluetooth on. This engages the radio. Make sure the peripheral is powered and in pairing mode. Most headsets show a blinking LED. Keep the device close, about 3 to 10 meters, to avoid signal drop. Once done, move on to pairing from the same device's pane so Windows can detect nearby hardware. Next, update the Bluetooth adapter driver so Windows speaks the right protocol. Open Device Manager, expand Bluetooth, right-click the adapter and choose Update Driver or install the OEM driver you downloaded. Then open Services. MSC, locate Bluetooth Support Service, restart it and set to automatic so it runs at boot. Return to Settings, Devices, add Bluetooth or other device and select Bluetooth. Choose the exact device name. To finish, run the Bluetooth troubleshooter and install any pending Windows updates. These often fix protocol bugs. If you still have problems, open Device Manager, right-click the adapter, Properties Power Management, and uncheck power saving so the radio stays active. If pairing repeatedly fails, remove the device from Bluetooth list, reboot both devices, and repair. One key tip: if nothing works, test with another Bluetooth device to isolate whether the PC or peripheral is faulty before replacing hardware.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.